Dear students, next write on note sum of three consecutive terms of an AP. A minus D, A plus D. So next, sum of four consecutive terms of an AP. What does that means? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. So according to this, we can find example 2.29. In an AP, sum of four consecutive terms is 28 and their square is 276. Find the four numbers. So we can find the solution. So first line, what? If an AP, sum of four consecutive terms is 28. Sum of four consecutive term is 28 now. So sum of four consecutive term means which condition we have to take? Second one, A minus 3D. So here sum of four consecutive terms, the four consecutive term also you have to add, plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D equal to 28. So here minus 3D plus 3D we can cancel, minus D plus D we can cancel. So remaining we can add A, 2A, 3A, 4A. So 4A equal to 28. Then A equal to 28 by 4. So 1 4 is a 4, 7 4 is a 28. So then what is the value of A? 7. No. So we found A value. Next line, what? Look here in this question. And their square is 276. No. So sum of their square is 276. So sum of their square. So in this condition you have to add and square. You have to square and add. No. So A minus 3D whole square plus A minus D whole square plus A plus D whole square plus A plus 3D whole square is equal to 276. So now here we can use A minus B whole square form. Here we can use A plus B whole square form. So what is A minus B whole square? A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Then what is A plus B whole square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. No. So in this two conditions we can use here. So A minus B whole square. A square. So what will come? A square minus 2 into A into 3D. 2 into A into 3D plus B square 3D whole square plus, in this plus, A minus B whole square, here also you can use now, A square minus 2AD plus D square. So next here we can use A plus B whole square. So A square plus 2AD plus D square. So next here also A plus B whole square we can use. Yeah, no. So A square plus 2 into A into 3D plus 3D whole square equal to 276 now. So now you can expand this. So what will come? A square 2 3s are 6. So 6 minus 6AD plus, here 3 also squaring, D also squaring. So 3 square 9, D square plus A square minus 2AD plus D square plus A square plus 2AD plus D square. Next A square plus A square plus 2 3s are 6AD plus 3 square and D also squaring. So 9D square equal to 276. So next here see, so negative one and positive one you can cancel now. Minus 6AD and plus 6AD you can cancel. Then minus 2AD plus 2AD you can cancel. So remaining what are there? A square time. So A square, 2A square, 3A square and 4A square. So 4A square. Then D square time. 9D square, 10D square, 11D square and 20D square. Then 20D square equal to 276. So you already know that what is the value of A. So that value we can substitute here. So A is equal to 7 now. So that value substitute. A is A into 4 into A value. So 7 square plus 20D square equal to 276. Now, so 4 into 7 square 49 plus 20D square equal to 276. Then 20D square is equal to, so here we can apply here now, here we can multiply now. So multiply means total get 196 is equal to 276. So 4 into 49 196 plus 20D square equal to 276. Then 20D square is equal to 276 plus value you have taken minus will come 196. Then 20D square is equal to what will come if you subtract means 80. Then D square equal to 80 divided by 20. Now 0 0 can cancel. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2 is 8. Then what is the D square? D square equal to 4. Then square we have to take an answer means total comes root. So root 4. So then D is equal to 2 square we can write now. Root and square can cancel. So then D is equal to what will come? D equal to plus or minus. Outside take means root, outside taking plus or minus will come. One value positive, one value negatively will come. So plus or minus 2. So D equal to plus or minus 2. So therefore what is the value of D? One value positively there, one value negatively there. So next, so what they ask in that questions, find the four numbers. Find the four numbers. So according to these two values, what is the value of E, what is the value of D? So in these two conditions we have to use that. Find the four numbers. We can find now. So if A equal to 7, D equal to 2, positive value take means what is the four numbers getting? Four numbers getting. So therefore the four numbers are what is it? In this form we have to use this one in 4 consecutive times. So that form we have to use A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. So that value apply A and D value. So 7 minus 3 into 2 comma 7 minus 2, 7 plus 2 here, 7 plus 3 into 2. So then what will come here? 7 minus 3 to 6, 7 minus 2 5 here, 9, 7 plus 3 to 6. Then here 1 5 9 13. No, so 4 numbers. So we got. So if you take if A equal to 7, D equal to minus 2 take means what are the four numbers? What are the four numbers? The four numbers are what is it? So A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. No, A plus 3D. So here we can apply what is the value of A? 7 minus 3 into minus 2. Here 7 minus of 2, 7 plus minus 2 comma 7 plus 3 into minus 2 now. So then 7 minus into minus plus 3 to the 6. So here 7 minus into minus plus, so 7 plus 2. Here 7 minus 2, plus into minus, minus, no, so 7 minus 2. Here 7 minus into plus, minus, so minus 6 will come. Here 7 plus 6, 13. Here 9. Here 5, 1. So in this, first we found, now in this what get 4 numbers, 1, 5, 9, 13. Here negatively take means in this reverse will get 13, 9, 5, 1. So these are the 4 numbers of consecutive. Do you understand?